Hello, welcome to EduClancy. My name is Simeon Adedokun. In this video, I will be explaining how to create a multiplication table that accepts user input, and that's with Python. A quick one. Let's start from line 1 of the program that is displayed on your screen. Line 1 accepts the starting point, that is starting number of the table column. The column we start from multiplication table 2, then line 2 accepts the end table column is going to end on table 12, and line 3 the start table row. Yes, maybe that's going to be from 2 to then line 4 the end table row. We can see all the variables: st code, et code, st row, that's for start table row, and et row, end table row. Now on line 5, we have range function there. Range function that will give us the range where we want to start and where we want to end. Remember, the first element in a range is indexed 0. So now let's look at that range function. St code, that's for the columns, the start table column and the end column. Let's assume we impute 12 as the end table column. Index 12 is actually count 11. Start from 0. So we have hence we have that et column plus 1, so that it's going to be 13. Now 13 is representing 12 here, since it's starting from 0. 0 to 13 we end at 12. Now the next one, row 6, line 6, we have the range for the rows from the starting row to the last row. Now on line 7, we have to look through the column and the row on line 9. So looking through the column, then line 8, for every new column is going to have a heading table this. Like table 2, table 3. Now on line 9, looping through the row inside the column. In line 10, we're multiplying the column by the row. 2 times 2, 2 times 3, 2 times. So we're still on column 2, but the row changing. At the end of that's when we reach the end of the row, that's end table row, it will start another column, that's looping iteration back to line 7 until it gets to the last column. Then on line 11, we are printing, that's outputting the value. We're going to output the column concatenated with x, that representing multiplication here, and we concatenate it with the row, then concatenated with equal to, then concatenated with the answer, that's the product from line 10. That is all, as simple as that. Let's see the output. Let's run the program. Asking input start table column. I want to start from table 2, enter, and end table column. I want to end table 12. Enter a start table row 2, then end 12. So use a multiplication table 12 and enter. Alright, let's see the result. Okay, is our input table 2, table 3, table 4, 5, 6, 7, table 8, table 9, table 10, table 11, and table 12. We have reached the end of the program. It's as simple as this. Thanks for watching.